Hi guys, Max here with RC Window Films. Today I wanted to discuss with you the benefits of home window tinting. Very basic benefits would be for privacy, heat reduction, glare reduction, UV protection, as well as added security. So in terms of heat reduction, we typically tell customers to focus on east, west, and south facing exposure and doing really that entire side of the home instead of focusing on one or two windows. That might be the biggest issue. And the reason why is because you want to control the amount of BTUs that are coming through the glass in the first place. By mitigating that, you're going to get a much better overall benefit rather than just doing one or two windows to spot reduce. So spot reducing doesn't really work. You really want to focus on the entire side of the home to mitigate the amount of heat that's coming into the home. In terms of privacy, we've got all sorts of daytime privacy films. So they do make it darker in some cases if you're wanting to stop the amount of reflection, for example. So if you don't want that much reflectivity, you do have to go with a darker product. So you can add privacy during the daytime hours without limiting your visibility out. When it comes to nighttime privacy, you can install films that are frosted or decorative design, but it does limit your visibility looking out. So certainly you can stop people from looking in, but you can't look out at all. So, but they do allow natural light. So you can do like an etched glass look or a frosted look, or choose one of the various designs that we have on our website, which is a lot of different decorative designs. In fact, you can even custom print your own decorative pattern if you'd like. And then when it comes to UV protection, we kind of got a wide scope. So most films are gonna have a 99.9% UV protection. However, if you're trying to prevent fading or deterioration of furniture, carpets, or hardwood floors, UV contributes about 40% of the damage to floors, furniture, carpets, etc. 25% comes from really visible light, how much visible light is able to transfer through the window, and then as well as 25% from heat. Which is infrared. So you've got 50% right there and 40%. So where's the other 10%? Well, the other 10% is just natural degradation of synthetic materials in general. In terms of heat reduction, window film is probably the lowest hanging fruit, as we would say, in terms of, reducing the amount of energy that gets into the home and a very easy, quick installation in order to get that benefit. That's about it. When it comes to solar control, you've got many options, many different types of films. You have reflective products, you've got ceramic products, and you've got IR products. And really it comes down to what is the aesthetic look that you want from the outside looking in and the inside looking out? What are your primary concerns? Is it glare, heat, UV, or the amount of visible light that's coming in? And secondly, what sort of performance do you want? And then at what price range are you comfortable? Those are all really important questions to ask. And then, is the film compatible with your type of glass? Those are important questions to consider when deciding on home window tinting.